Welcome to the installation of Fishbone Offroad's wheel well storage bins for the 1997 to 2006 TJ Wrangler. Step 1. If your vehicle has a hardtop, remove the 6 T40 Torx bolts attaching it to the body tub rail. Otherwise, no further prep is needed. Step 2. Slide the corresponding wheel well bin over the wheel well, below the rail, and into the inner 2 Torx slots. Step 3. Secure the bin with 2 of the included hardtop screws, washers, and hex nuts with a 12mm wrench or socket. The wrench should only hold the nut into place, and you should only hand tighten. Repeat on the opposite side, and you're done. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road TJ Wheel Well storage bins.